Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word often used in geography and descriptions of surroundings, environs. It might look a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is environs or environs. Let's break it down. First, we have en, which sounds like in. Next is vi, which rhymes with I. Then comes runes, which sounds like runs, or you can say rons, rhyming with bronze. Both pronunciations are correct. Now let's put it all together, environs or environs. Try repeating after me, environs. Now a little faster, environs. And at full speed, environs. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Environs refers to the surrounding areas of a place. For example, when someone says the environs of the city, they mean the areas around the city. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce environs and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.